Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and trendy collection of hand embroidered designs that are absolutely favorable for Eid embroidered dresses. Eid embroidered dress designing ideas are absolute and they will give you a very creative, beautiful and unique look. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. So guys, now let's move back towards our main content and our main purpose, that is for which type of designing you can use these very beautiful, pretty and classy color combination based hand embroidery designs. Different type of neckline patterns have been used. Mesmerizingly, necklace style patterns of hand embroidery are very pretty, favorable for making Eid dresses. Instead of paying a lot of money to highly priced tagged designers, you can just make your dresses at a very low price. So if you're looking for decent, elegant, lightweight, comfortable, and breathable design patterns of hand embroidery, hand art, or thread work, then guys, believe me, you are at the right platform and the exact video for which you are searching for is onto your screens right now. So now let's move back towards which type of hand embroidery stitches are being used. So simple and basic beginner embroidery stitches, as I've already told you and shared with you in my previous videos, that beginner friendly like French dot, twisted knot, satin stitch, Brazilian stitch, chain stitch have been used. So if you want to give more creative, more formal touch, then I would highly recommend you to use beads like you are seeing. So beads and pearls make your dress formal, creative, and more elegant, along with a royal touch. I hope that you are liking the ideas. I hope that you have liked the designs. If you really like my design patterns, then do try them. And if you try any of them, comment below the video and let us know that which design you like the most and why. Simple and basic, beautiful and embroidery stitches are onto your screens right now. So I would request you to don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and trendy ideas. And not only this, on our channel, we have shared a lot of thousands of designs from which you can get creative, beautiful and pretty ideas. So I would recommend you to go explore my channel and have trendy and beautiful ideas of hand embroidery, thread embroidery, machine embroidery, and many more creative works that would make your dresses absolutely pretty, elegant, and decent while giving you the decency of unique designs. So, once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our videos as you always have been.